Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG CLIA. Here we can see the contents of the kit. 1 bottle lipolyzed magnetic microbeads, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 13061 7506M. Then we can see the lot number, then the expiry date also. These are the pictorial representation of one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We done 50 tests using this kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the overall front view of this product. Here we can see the other sides. On this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG. Reference number 1306177 7506M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After open this, the first one is instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG CLIA C certificate IVD product. The reference number for this kit 130617506M 50 test per kit. Here we can see the indent use, summary, test principle, reagents, reagent handling, storage stability, and lot of stuff in this instruction manual. And keep this aside. And the next one is a MAGLUMI reagent seal, total of 3 NOS. Here we can see MAGLUMI reagent seal. In this side we can see the centromeres. And keep this aside. And the next one is the ABI label stickers. Sorry, this is control stickers. Here we can see Anti-Centromeres IgG control 1 and control 2. Total of 8 noses. The first 4 one is for control 1. Then second 4 was is control 2. Here we can see Anti-Centromeres IgG control 1 4 noses. Then control 2 4 noses. And keep this aside. And the next one is control 1 1 ml, control 2 1 ml, then 1 bottle lipolyzed magnetic microbeads. This is a packet in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see clearly. I am taking the first one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-Centromeres IgG control 1 solution. This is control 1 solution of 1 ml. Keep this aside. The second one is MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml Anti-Centromeres IgG control 2. A volume of 1 ml Keep this aside. The last one is Anti-Centromeres IgG CLIA. Here we can see the MAGLUMI. A 1 bottle of lipo-reside magnetic microbeads. This 3 is packed in a cover. And the next one is MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG. Here we can see the contents clearly. A 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, a 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml ABI label, 15 ml dilute. Here we can see the pictorial refrigeration. We can store away from direct sunlight. We can store to between 2 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius. Here we go for summary. Today we can see the MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres IgG CLIA kit. In this kit, we see one instruction manual, a MAGLUMI reagent seal sticker, control 1 and control 2 stickers, the solution of control 1 ml, control 2 1 ml, then lyophilized magnetic microbeads 1 bottle, then MAGLUMI Anti-Centromeres reagent kit. Thank you.